Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel subscription on PixVerse AI. So first thing first, you need to go to the PixVerse AI, your home page. So under your profile. Now click on your profile icon, top right, you will see. Navigate to the account or subscription management. So you will see user info, subscribe. So click on subscribe, and right here you will see the options that you can subscribe to. So now if you have some opened subscription here on Pro, Premium, Enterprise or something, you can just click on it and it will be cancelled. Now also, if you want to delete your account, you can go back to your profile picture to the user info, and you will see here with this red text delete account. So this is how you can cancel your subscription and basically delete your account. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.